here. We're using Celebration Tidings. Now this is a suite of products that is on, I think it's called the Plaid Tidings. Let's look. Plaid Tidings Suite that is on page 56 of your August through December catalog. You can see some of the things that they've created here. And the whole suite includes a set of 6x6 designer series paper that have so many fun plaids that range from fall to Halloween to Christmas to even to extends into Valentine's Day. So great plaids. Then it has the stamp set and the die cuts, and you can buy those separately as a bundle as well. And then it also comes with some coordinating embroidered ribbon. So let me just, before I get started on the stamping, right now through the end of September, when you order the entire suite, and it's only $65.25, so that is a great value because it has paper, it has stamps, dies, and ribbon. When you buy this one from my Stampin Store, you will get a 3 for free plus a bonus, a 3 for free tutorial and all of the extra pieces that you will need, all of the extra consumable pieces that you will need to create 4 more projects. That will just come to you right in the mail after you've ordered it. We're going to use the largest frame. This is called the Celebration Labels. We're going to use the largest one to cut out a black one. We're going to make a Halloween version of this card, but I also have a Christmas version to show you. These were designed so that they would fit on top of like a little bag of goodies. So a bag topper, these little labels, they have a place right here that you can score them and just fold them over the top of a bag of goodies like that. Okay, so we're putting the cutting side down. I put the cutting side down and put the other, you're always making a sandwich, so I put the other piece of bread right on top. And you're just gonna crank that with the handle right through. Oh, and I'm sorry that it's making you move. Don't get sick, close your eyes, I'll tell you when to open them again. Okay, open those eyes. So when we take this off, we have cut, and I love this new cutter because it does cut the details beautifully. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little stitching on the edge. Can you see that? So fun. So you're gonna cut this in half. Right in that, there's a little area to show you where to cut it. A little indentation that says cut here or score here, but we're gonna cut it right in half. Okay, so we've got 2 little pieces. Then while I've got it here, I'm also going to score it 1 1/8 inch, and I'm going to use my scoring blade, which is the light one. You're going to do it on both of these. Okay, so you've got 2 halves and they're scored at 1 1/8 inch. Now we're going to do a little embossing. You don't have to emboss. In fact, my Christmas version has just the plaid paper. Oh, I don't need the black, I need the white. The plaid paper is what I've used on that one. So I'm going to use this, since it's a Halloween card, I'm going to use this fun spooky scroll and do it right next to the scored line. This is the part that's going to be showing. So we're going to emboss both of these. So now I've got those 2 pieces. I have a base for my card, which is just a 5.5 by 4 1/4. And then I have a card that I cut to 10 1/4. So I cut off about, 3/4 of an inch at the top, and then 3 7/8. It makes it so that when you fold it, there is like a little 3/8 inch border all the way around. So we're going to put, and I have a piece of designer series paper, and I don't have that written there, but it's obviously going to be 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 because we folded our card in half. So we've got that. Here's our base of our card. Here's our two little flaps. We want to fold on the score lines. Fold on the score lines. Now we're going to attach those right to the back of this white card. Okay, so we've got those two little flaps. Cute, cute, cute. I've also already cut out a few other things. I cut out the smallest piece, the smallest label out of Mango Melody, and I've cut some cute little spiders that are also in that set. And then I had a little piece of paper that was left over from my 6x6 piece of paper, so never waste those. So then you would fold it like this, fold it like this. We're going to stamp a little bit here before we finish it off. We'll use black now, our Memento ink. The thing I love about this particular set of, or suite of products is that there is something for every season, just like the paper. So you have fall, Halloween, Christmas, love, just for you. Got some hearts. So it really does cover a lot of different seasons. We're going to just punch some holes. Now you could punch them right here, but I like to just move mine up just a little bit because this tag is going to go on the front. Cute. Now this is the piece de resistance that I love. Look at this gorgeous ribbon. This ribbon is metallic mesh ribbon that is silver, and it kind of looks like a spider web. Oh my gosh, this is just turning out so cute. I love it. Okay, so there is our cute finished product. This is this month's. Okay, let me show you the Christmas one. Oh, cute. Look at this cute Christmas one. Oh my goodness. And this one, this time I used the plaid paper. The biggest piece fits right on that 6x6 designer series paper. And for this one, let's open it up. You would open it. And this time I stamped on the inside, this inside card, just like that. Isn't that pretty?